Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we will explore a comprehensive conversation about traveling abroad and experiencing new cultures, including topics such as planning your trip, transportation, accommodation, local customs, sightseeing, food, and safety tips. This lesson will help you learn practical travel vocabulary, practice speaking English in real-life situations, and gain confidence communicating while exploring new places. Default Texto stay updated with our latest lessons. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with your friends who are learning English, and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Now, let's get started and learn how to speak confidently about traveling and cultural experiences in English. Hi, Liam. I'm planning my first trip abroad. Do you have any travel tips?
Hi John, that's exciting. First, make sure you research your destination and plan your itinerary.
I want to explore Italy. Which cities do you recommend?
Rome, Florence, and Venice are amazing. Each city has its own history, culture, and attractions.
How should I prepare my documents before traveling?
Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months. And check if you need a visa.
Should I buy travel insurance?
Definitely. It helps cover medical emergencies, lost luggage, or flight cancellations.
How do I find good accommodation?
Use websites with reviews, compare prices, and choose locations near attractions or public transport.
Should I book flights in advance or last minute?
Usually booking in advance is cheaper and gives more options.
How do I manage money abroad? Should I bring cash?
Bring some local currency, but also use cards. Check for fees and notify your bank.
How about learning basic phrases in the local language?
Very important. Greetings, thank you, and asking for directions make a big difference.
Default text. What's the best way to get around cities?
Public transport is cheap and convenient. Walking is also great for sightseeing.
Should I carry a map or rely on my phone?
Both. Phones are convenient, but offline maps are useful in case of no internet.
How can I stay safe while traveling?
Avoid risky areas. Keep your valuables secure, and be aware of local laws and customs.
How about tipping in restaurants?
It depends on the country. Some include service charges. Others expect 10 to 15% tip.
Should I carry a first aid kit?
Yes, a small kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any prescription medicine is helpful.
How do I avoid jet lag?
Adjust your sleep schedule before traveling, stay hydrated, and get sunlight after arrival.
Should I rent a car while traveling?
Only if you are comfortable driving in that country. Otherwise, public transport is easier.
How do I find local restaurants and cafes?
Use review websites, ask locals, or explore areas with high foot traffic.
How important is cultural etiquette?
Very. Understanding local customs shows respect and prevents misunderstandings.
Should I dress differently in different countries?
Yes, respect local dress codes, especially in religious sites or conservative areas.
How do I handle language barriers?
Learn key phrases, use translation apps, and be patient and polite when communicating.
Should I carry multiple copies of my passport?
Yes. Keep one copy in your bag, and one with a friend or in your hotel.
How about emergency contacts?
Save local emergency numbers, your embassy contacts, and a trusted friend's number.
Should I book guided tour or explore on my own?
Both are good. Guided tours give history and context, while independent exploration is flexible.
How can I meet local people while traveling?
Visit markets, cafes, or cultural events, and consider language exchanges or social apps.
Should I carry a travel journal?
Yes, writing experiences helps remember details and reflect on your journey.
How do I handle crowded tourist spots?
Visit early in the morning or late afternoon, and plan your route to avoid peak times.
Should I take public buses or taxis in big cities?
Public transport is cheaper, but taxis or rideshare apps are convenient when needed.
How can I protect my phone and electronics while traveling?
Use a secure bag. Avoid leaving devices unattended. And consider travel insurance for electronics.
How do I choose which attractions to visit first?
Prioritize must-see landmarks. Consider opening hours. And leave room for spontaneous exploration.
How about trying local food? Is it safe?
Try street food cautiously. Ensure it's freshly prepared. And drink bottled water if needed.
Should I carry a reusable water bottle?
Yes. It saves money, helps the environment, and keeps you hydrated.
How do I handle cultural misunderstandings?
Stay calm, be polite, and ask questions to understand local customs better.
Should I travel with travel guides or apps?
Both are useful. Guides give historical insights and apps help with maps and recommendations.
How can I save money while traveling?
Book in advance, use public transport, eat at local eateries, and avoid tourist traps.
Should I carry travel snacks?
Yes, especially for long journeys or when local food options are limited.
How do I handle different time zones when calling home?
Check the time difference before calling, and inform family or friends about your schedule.
Should I learn local customs about greetings?
Yes, it shows respect and helps make a good impression with locals.
How do I take good travel photos?
Focus on lighting, composition, and capturing moments rather than just landmarks.
Should I carry a power bank?
Yes, it ensures your phone and devices stay charged throughout the day.
How about using Wi-Fi abroad?
Public Wi-Fi is convenient, but use a VPN for security.
Should I exchange money at the airport?
Usually not. Airport rates are higher. Exchange small amounts and use ATMs or banks.
How can I find authentic souvenirs?
Visit local markets, artisan shops, and avoid heavily commercialized tourist stores.
Should I tip hotel staff?
Check local etiquette. Small tips for bellhops, cleaners, and concierges are often appreciated.
How do I plan day trips?
Research nearby towns, transportation options, and create a flexible schedule.
Should I travel with a group or alone?
Both have benefits. Solo travel offers freedom, while groups provide security and shared experiences.
How do I avoid pickpockets in crowded areas?
Default text: keep bags zipped. Use anti-theft backpacks and stay alert.
Should I carry a small travel umbrella?
Yes, it's useful for sudden rain and sun protection.
How do I choose which museums to visit?
Prioritize based on interest, opening hours, and any special exhibitions.
Should I buy tickets online or at the entrance?
Online tickets save time and ensure entry during busy seasons.
How do I handle cultural festivals or events?
Participate respectfully, follow local rules, and enjoy learning about traditions.
Should I pack light or bring many clothes?
Pack light, versatile clothing, and layers suitable for the climate.
How do I plan transportation between cities?
Consider trains, buses, flights, or car rentals based on cost, time, and convenience.
Should I buy a local SIM card?
Yes, it provides data and local calls at reasonable rates.
How do I stay connected with family while traveling?
Use messaging apps, email, or regular check-ins via phone.
Should I keep a travel itinerary printed?
Yes, in case your phone battery dies or internet is unavailable.
How can I avoid language misunderstandings at restaurants?
Look at menus online, use translation apps, and point to dishes if needed.
Should I try local transportation apps?
Yes, apps help with route planning, schedules, and fare estimates.
Default text though, do I stay healthy while traveling?
Eat balanced meals. Stay hydrated. Exercise and get enough sleep.
Should I carry hand sanitizer and masks?
Yes, especially in crowded or indoor spaces.
How do I avoid tourist scams?
Research common scams, trust your instincts, and avoid overly pushy vendors.
Should I try local experiences or stick to popular attractions?
Both. Balance must-see landmarks with unique local experiences.
How do I keep track of my expenses?
Use an app or notebook to record spending daily and avoid surprises.
Should I attend cultural workshops or classes?
Yes, cooking, art, or dance classes help you immerse in local culture.
How can I make travel friends abroad?
Join tours, hostels, or online travel communities.
Should I carry extra copies of important documents?
Yes. Keep them separate from originals in case of loss or theft.
How do I handle transportation strikes or delays?
Have backup plans, leave early, and stay informed through apps or news.
Should I rent a bike to explore cities?
It's fun and efficient in bike-friendly cities. Always wear a helmet.
How do I dress for different climates?
Layer clothing, check forecasts, and pack waterproof or warm items as needed.
Should I carry snacks for long sightseeing days?
Yes, light snacks and water keep energy levels up and avoid expensive stops.
How do I navigate airports efficiently?
Arrive early, check terminals, and keep boarding passes and ID handy.
Should I learn local public transport rules?
Yes, it prevents fines, confusion, and ensures smoother travel.
How can I make my travel more sustainable?
Use public transport, avoid single-use plastics, and support local businesses.
Should I visit tourist information centers?
Yes, they provide maps, guides, and current events or promotions.
How do I avoid overspending on souvenirs?
Set a budget, compare prices, and prioritize meaningful items.
Should I take guided city walks or explore alone?
Both work. Guided walks provide insight, while solo exploration offers flexibility.
How do I plan for emergencies like lost luggage?
Keep travel insurance, copies of documents, and a list of essential items.
Should I carry a universal power adapter?
Yes, it ensures your devices can be charged in any country.
How do I handle cultural differences politely?
Observe, ask questions, and follow local customs respectfully.
Should I join local tour for day trips?
Yes, they provide convenience, knowledge, and safety for unfamiliar places.
How do I plan a budget for a 2-week trip?
Calculate flights, accommodation, meals, transportation, and activities in advance.
Should I tip taxi drivers abroad?
Check local etiquette. Usually rounding up or 10% is acceptable.
How do I choose the best travel apps?
Look for maps, language help, local recommendations, and reviews from other travelers.
Should I carry an extra bag for souvenirs?
Yes, a foldable bag is convenient and prevents overpacking.
How do I stay safe in crowded tourist spots?
Keep valuables hidden. Avoid distractions. And stay aware of your surroundings.
Should I book tickets for attractions in advance? Yes, especially for popular sites to avoid long queues or sold-out days. How do I deal with unexpected weather changes?
Pack versatile clothing, check forecasts, and have indoor activities as backup.
Should I take part in local festivals?
Yes, it's a great way to experience culture, but follow safety rules and customs.
How do I choose restaurants safely?
Check reviews, observe hygiene, and ask locals for recommendations.
Should I carry local emergency numbers?
Yes, including police, medical services, and embassy contacts.
How do I handle language misunderstandings politely?
Speak slowly, use gestures, and ask for clarification if needed.
Should I rent a local guide for cultural sites?
Yes, guides provide historical context and enrich your experience.
How do I keep in touch with locals I meet?
Exchange social media or email and maintain communication respectfully.
Should I try local public transportation apps?
Yes, they help find routes, schedules, and fare prices easily.
How do I plan sightseeing to avoid fatigue?
Limit activities per day. Take breaks and pace yourself according to energy.
Should I learn a few emergency phrases in the local language?
Absolutely. Phrases for help, directions, or medical needs are very useful.
How do I handle dietary restrictions abroad?
Research local food options, carry snacks, and communicate clearly in restaurants.
Should I plan travel insurance for adventure activities?
Yes, especially for hiking, skiing, or water sports. It's safer and sometimes required.
How do I find off-the-beaten-path experiences?
Ask locals, check travel blogs, and explore areas less visited by tourists.
Should I learn some local etiquette for photography?
Yes. Always ask before photographing people or private spaces.
How do I balance sightseeing and relaxation?
Plan active days followed by lighter days or leisure time in parks or cafes.
Thank you, Liam. I feel much more prepared and confident to explore Italy and enjoy the local culture.
You're welcome, Sophie. With careful planning, an open mind, and respect for local customs, your trip will be amazing.